and gentlemen,
Smells like Doritos.
we got this ramen noodles, super spicy stuff. We got all the juice and
Smells
everything,
like Doritos.
and we're gonna give it to her. And we're gonna see how long she can hold it. So,
how smart are you?
Okay, ready, guys?
Three.
She's gonna be drinking it, and she has to hold it for.
Do I have to
As
chug
long
it?
as
Do
Yes.
I have to
Yes.
chug it?
Yes, you have to chug it.
What the heck? I'm only not.
Take a
Why
couple
did you
of sips.
I
and
want
then
to go
take a
my
whole-
nose like you.
No, don't
Wait.
point it at your nose then.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, come on.
Okay, do you know how spicy this is gonna be? Okay, go. 3, 2,
1.
1.
Oh
Oh,
my.
this is-
Oh,
Drink it faster, faster.
Sam,
What?
this is terrible. Oh my.
Can I have those noodles?
Uh-huh.
Thanks.
What am I supposed to taste?
Heat.
I don't taste any heat.
You will, Sophie.
I swear, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna be
No,
like,
she's
yeah,
just
sorry.
trying to act cool for the camera.
I'm not.
No. Keep the dairy products away.
No, I'm drinking. Hey, can I have more?
I don't think chocolate's gonna help.
She wants more.
Sophie,
Uh-huh. Can I have more? I'm not allowed dairy. But I'm eating
If this
chocolate.
doesn't work, put ketchup in a milkshake.
Can I have more?
all we have.
Wait, is there any ketchup?
some hot sauce and she can chug that.
We have to get her half a cup full.
I know, pink peppers. No, I don't. I do not kill birds.
Okay, guys. This is gonna be very awkward. You did. I think it's either jalapeno or a hot sauce.
Step it up a little.
Oh,
I burped. I knocked out.
In here.
All that?
no, what? All of it?
Can I
No, no, but you go.
Can I put it on fry? Can I put it on fry?
Go ahead.
Can I put it on fry?
You have to cover the fry.
I'm not covering the fry.
Oh my, that's awesome.
That looks like ketchup.
I got a feeling that.
If this doesn't stay now, I'm gonna be mad.
Oh yeah.
And then have a jalapeno pepper.
Just eat it.
Oh,
Just to cool it down. Okay.
wait. Jalapeno pepper. Come on, let's get this jalapeno.
Another one.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Another one.
What will it take?
I don't know.
There. I went too crazy. You just eat those 2 fries.
What?
Yay! What? Hey, don't just rip it out. I got it.
Wait, take hot sauce, jalapeno, and do you have any yogurt?
Do you have nachos?
Oh, that smells terrible.
Do you have nachos?
Oh, my camera was.
Give me
Oh,
a
weird.
nacho chip.
Oh, that's
Is
jalapeno.
this what we had on last time? Okay, good.
Okay, you have to have.
Nacho chip.
No, yes.
Nacho chip.
No nachos.
No, nachos.
What? How rude.
Oh my
Straight,
gosh.
straight.
Can we have both of them?
Yeah, at the same
Oh
time.
my, this is already. Okay.
I am amazing.
Hey,
Okay, 2 jalapenos drenched in hot sauce. Go now! Woo!
if she's lucky, we'll give her 3 more.
Okay.
Let's give her 3 more.
No. I gotta have one. I want jalapenos.
Uh huh.
What am I supposed to taste?
Heat, Sophie.
I don't taste it. Well, not too much, but a little.
Wait,
Okay,
put a whole bunch of hot sauce
Sophie.
in
do this. Go like this. Take your mouth and go like this. And blow out as long as you can.
What?
A bit longer.
You look like an idiot.
I do? I'm a hippie.
Longer.
I can't breathe anymore. When I blow longer, I can't breathe. Because you're letting out all your air.
Here. Open your mouth and take your tongue out.
I want that to fry.
Yeah, you
take
can-
your mouth and just go like.
Wait. Take a fry and shove it in your mouth. And then lift the hot sauce. And
My daddy would be proud.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, take a fry and I'm gonna pour some. Say hi.
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 I'm Ruby.
Here, come on. Ready?
No, I'm not drinking out of somebody else's hot sauce bottle.
No, not drink. Pour it out. And then eat it. Come on, make this interesting. Oh.
Alright, mates, let's go to the bar.
One sec.
What am I supposed to taste, people?
Okay, you know what? I give up. You know what? See this hand? This is a hand saying goodbye. Goodbye, guys.